Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Do you know that our brain uses strategies to process information and draw conclusions? Although we are able to reach conclusions through these mental strategies, sometimes our reasoning can be off. Hi, I'm Dr. Sanjeev P. Sahni presenting to you a new episode of Jib's Infotainment. Today we will be discussing heuristics. We make decisions and judgments every day. If we can trust someone, if we should do something or not, which route to take, how to respond to someone who's upset. The list goes on and on. If we carefully considered and analyzed every possible outcome of these decisions and judgments, we would never do anything else. Thankfully, our mind makes things easier for us by using efficient thinking strategies known as heuristics. A heuristic is a mental shortcut that helps us make decisions and judgments quickly without having to spend a lot of time reaching and analyzing information. For example, when walking down the street, you see a piano tied to a rope above the sidewalk. Without a break in stride, you would likely choose to walk around that area instead of directly underneath the piano. Your intuition would tell you that walking under the piano could be dangerous. So you make a snap judgment to walk around the danger zone. You would probably not stop and assess the entire situation or calculate the probability of the piano falling on you, on your chances of survival if that happened. You would use a heuristic to make the decision quickly and without using much mental effort. Most of the time, heuristics are extremely helpful, but they can lead to errors in judgment. There are several different categories or types of heuristics. Let's discuss two that are, although useful in many situations, can lead even the most intelligent people to make dumb decisions. The availability heuristic is a mental shortcut which helps us make a decision based on how easy it is to bring something to mind. In other words, we often rely on how easy it is to think of examples when making a decision or judgment. For instance, illness such as diabetes and heart disease kill more than twice the number of people than murder or car accidents. However, people see murder or car accidents as more dangerous and take precautions against them. Murders and car accidents are very sensational and appealing to media reports. Because of this, these types of deaths are reported more often in the media and are easy to remember. The problem with the availability of heuristic is that we assume that if several examples are readily available in our mind, the event or subject matter is commonplace. But that assumption is not always correct. However, there are many situations in which the availability heuristic is useful and accurate. For example, it's part of what makes us careful in dangerous situations. If we can think of a similar situation that ended badly for someone else, we are more likely to be cautious and better protect ourselves. When people use categories in order to make a decision about a person, thing, or event that are utilizing representativeness heuristics. Using representativeness heuristics during problem solving or decision making can give rise to several fallacies. These fallacies can lead to poor decision making or problem solving for the person that falls victim to this way of thinking. That's it for today. Keep watching our channel for more informative content. Thank you.